शिव संस्कार र प्रविधि सहितको व्यवहारिक शिक्षालाई आत्मसात गर्दै बाल शिक्षण सिकाइ क्रियाकलापलाई प्रभावकारी ढङ्गबाट अगाडि बढाइरहेका छौँ। हाम्रा नानी बाबुहरूले आफूले नबुझेका कुरा बिना हिचकिचाहट सोध्न सक्ने, प्रश्न गर्न सक्ने र आफूले बुझेका, जानेका र सुनेका कुराहरूलाई अरू समक्ष निर्धक्कका साथ अभिव्यक्त गर्न सक्ने, आधार खडा गर्ने गरी अभिव्यक्त गर्न सक्ने सिपलाई चाहिँ हामीले अगाडि बढाइरहेका छौँ। हौसला, उत्प्रेरणा र जिज्ञासु स्वभावका हाम्रा नानी बाबुहरूलाई यो 21औं शताब्दी सुहाउँदो शिक्षामा कसरी चाहिँ अगाडि बढाउन सकिन्छ भन्ने कुरामा हाम्रो विद्यालयको नेसनल मोडल साइन्स स्कुल र नाम्स विद्यालयको चाहिँ शिक्षण सिकाइ क्रियाकलापहरू अगाडि बढिरहेका छन्।
मलाई जन्म दिने आमा बुवा, सिकाउने शिक्षक शिक्षिका र नेपाली हुनमा सधैँ गर्व लाग्छ। म एक असल नागरिक बनी राष्ट्रको सेवा गर्न सकूँ। विथ दिस सेइङ आई वान्टेड टु वेलकम माई ग्रुप मेम्बर्स विथ नेल सन्त्याल, सबिन तामाङ, रोशन श्रेष्ठ, विप्लव भूषाल and Sumit Thapa. Without further more delay, I wanted to start my presentation. Good afternoon to you all and welcome to the Flash Week. And I am Bishan Batala from grade 9 and I am here to give you a session to food and nutrition. We human beings, along with different species, have been living in this earth since beginning. We are dependent upon something for nature and other species like food, air and water. Food is an essential thing for human beings, just like air we breathe or water we drink. Our food contains nutrients, protein, fats, etc., which is required for the growth and protection of our body. Food provides nutrients to our body, which reaches to blood, and through blood cells it performs various activities like digestive, respiratory, and circulatory system. Now, basic objectives of food. Why we need food? To provide energy. As we all know, food provides us energy from which we can do our day-to-day life activities. And next is to build our body. It helps to build our body, and food plays a vital role to build our body. To do psychological activities, to regulate our physical activities, and to protect our body and keep it healthy. Healthy foods keeps our body healthy. Now with this short introduction, I wanted to call my friend Neel Santal for the classification of food. Thank you.
It's me Neel Santal from grade 9. Firstly, my heartily welcome to our parents, QC head, honorable principal, vice principal, teachers and my friends. So I'm going to describe about my topic, classification of food. Food is classified in two types. Food on the basis of vegetation and food on the basis of production and food on the basis of function. Food on the basis of function, a production is also divided in two types. Food based on meat source and food based on vegetation source. Food based on vegetation sources are wheat, rice, buckwheat, maize, mustard, green vegetables and fruits. Food based on animal sources are milk or milk product, meat, fish, eggs, etc. Food based on function. Food on the basis of function is also divided in three types. Food from Food based on function is also divided in three types. Energy yielding food, body building food and body protecting food. For further explanation, I'd like to call my friend Sabin Tamang.
Thank you, my friend Neel Sanchal. First of all, good afternoon to everyone, my respective parents, respective vice principals, respective QC head and teachers. Today I am going to share you about the nutrition. Nutrition. First of all, I am going to tell you about the food. Food plays a vital role in the life of the human being. It is the human need after air and water. Food determines the health of the person. If the food is of the low quality, the health of the person is deteriorate. But if the food contains the essential element, it leads to the sound health. For the various requirements of the body, our food should contain carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. Lost Graham has defined the nutrition as the sum of the processes concerned with the growth, maintenance, and repair of the human body. Nutrition is concerned not only with what we eat, but also how it is digested, absorbed, and transported to the tissue. Nutritional requirements vary according to the age, sex, physical activities, geographical and psychological condition. Now, thank you. Now I want to call my friend Roshan Shrestha to describe about the quality of food.
Thank you, Sabin Tamang. First of all, good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Roshan Shrestha from class 9. And as my friend told me, I'm going to tell about quality of food. The food full of nutrients and are essential to our body is called quality of food. It is very essential to our body. If you consume this daily, our body will be very strong and healthy if you consume if you consume the quality of food. Quality of food is like food. Quality of food is like healthy vegetables, yogurt, dairy products, and green vegetables. I'm going to tell about unquality of food. The food that are effective to our body and are called fast food is called unquality of food. Yeah, for example, pizza, burger, and other dishes that are called fast food. It can harm our body and make our body full of diseases. We should stop eating this product. It can harm our body because it can harm our body. For the further explanation of unquality of food, now I'm going to call my friend Bipla Bhusha.
Good afternoon and namaste everyone. It's me Biplav Bhushan explaining about unhealthy food which are quite popular nowadays. Basically, unhealthy food are those food which does not contain nutrients for body and cause detrimental effect on vital body part. Basically, those days people are use. These days, junk food are in high demand from children to adults. Everyone is attracted towards its taste and appearance. Due to this, many people are suffering from various diseases like goiter because their bodies does not get sufficient amount of nutrients from junk food. And except of this, people are using harmful color in food and making food over spicy and oily. And lastly, what I want to tell about, as far as possible, less about junk food. And furthermore explanation, I like to call Sumit.
फर्स्टली थ्याङ्क यू विप्लव सो संसारमा धेरै मानिसहरू खाना नपाएर होइन खाना नजानेर मर्छन् सो विथ दिस सेङ आई एम गोइङ टु स्टार्ट माई प्रेजेन्टेसन फर्स्टली वार्म आफ्टरनुन टु आवर अनरेबल प्रिन्सिपल सर रेस्पेक्टेड भाइस प्रिन्सिपल सर कोअर्डिनेटर्स टिचर्स डियर प्यारेन्ट्स एन्ड माई लभली फ्रेन्ड सो इट्स मी सुमित थापा फ्रम ग्रेड 9 एन्ड टु conclude this presentation as my friend had already shared their ideas about the topic food and nutrition. So to elaborate and add some more ideas, I am here. So I hope you will have a great feedback on my presentation. So without delay, let's get started. As you know, there is a great importance of air and water in our life, just like air we breathe and water we. So and there is a equal importance of food in our life. Just like म चाहिँ यहाँ उभिरहेको छु र म आफ्नो बोली तपाईँको सामु प्रस्तुत गरिरहेको छु. So this is only possible with the energy. So energy is produced in our body with the consumption of food. So food is the necessities and important part for human beings. And there is a golden word said by Roger Williams that health requires healthy food. So we know that हाम्रो हेल्थले चाहिँ हेल्दी फुड नै माग्छ. सो healthy food is defined as those food which provide us nutrient to sustain our body. So healthy food like mainly green vegetables and fruits and meats, so they are called healthy food because it provides us fat, carbohydrates that's needed to our body. And likewise, there is a vast difference between healthy food and unhealthy food. And unhealthy food is defined as those food which is high in calories and there is lack of protein. So as soon as possible, we have to reduce the consumption of unhealthy food. And likewise, there is many advantages of unhealthy or healthy food, just like it boosts our immunity and also helps in digestive system function and also in growing. And so likewise, being an agricultural country, there are many fertile land in our country where food are grown. So the food which are grown in fertile land is not sufficient to our country because there is in population in our country. So the country has to import the food from the other countries. So the other country food may be chemicalized. So the country has to observe to this problem as soon as possible. So my only one suggestion is to all of you that consume healthy food, live healthier life, be healthy, and thank you to the school administration to provide us these opportunities where we express our talent and skill, and your contribution will be remembered at the future also. And thank you to the facilitator, Mr. Shiva Chauhan sir. Thank you very much.
शिव संस्कार र प्रविधि सहितको व्यवहारिक शिक्षालाई आत्मसात गर्दै बाल शिक्षण सिकाइ क्रियाकलापलाई प्रभावकारी ढङ्गबाट अगाडि बढाइरहेका छौँ। हाम्रा नानी बाबुहरूले आफूले नबुझेका कुरा बिना हिचकिचाहट सोध्न सक्ने, प्रश्न गर्न सक्ने र आफूले बुझेका, जानेका र सुनेका कुराहरूलाई अरू समक्ष निर्धक्कका साथ अभिव्यक्त गर्न सक्ने, आधार खडा गर्ने गरी अभिव्यक्त गर्न सक्ने सिपलाई चाहिँ हामीले अगाडि बढाइरहेका छौँ। हौसला, उत्प्रेरणा र जिज्ञासु स्वभावका हाम्रा नानी बाबुहरूलाई यो 21औं शताब्दी सुहाउँदो शिक्षामा कसरी चाहिँ अगाडि बढाउन सकिन्छ भन्ने कुरामा हाम्रो विद्यालयको नेसनल मोडल साइन्स स्कुल र नाम्स विद्यालयको चाहिँ शिक्षण सिकाइ क्रियाकलापहरू अगाडि बढिरहेका छन्।